Were you invited to a dance party before but you didn't even dance because you can't even dance a single step with confidence? If yes, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you one simple and easy step that you can do and build upon to look like you are a dancer. Dancing is one of the things I love doing. When I was in elementary and high school, I was actually a school dancer. And in my younger years, I've been wanting to be a backup dancer of celebrities, but that didn't happen because I took up engineering in college. Come, let me show you the simple step that you can easily follow. If you know how to move your feet sideways, then you can dance. Look at my feet. Just do this. This is the only step that we're going to do, but we will build upon this step. Now, from this step, just show your inner thigh, like this. This is another way of doing it. If you are having difficulty in doing this, imagine that you are moving your, let's say, left foot and then touching the wall. Your knee will touch the wall. Once you already know this, so basically it's just this step and then you just add this, okay? And then now move with your hips. So this is just the step, and then combine it with your hands. You can do this. You can do this. So basically, we're just having one step. This is the only step, but you are doing some arm movements. And now, this is the most important part. So you need to put an attitude while dancing. You need to be confident. Imagine that the stage is yours and express yourself. So basically, 1, your feet. 2nd, open. And 3rd, your attitude. And now, you can dance. You can do it slow, or you can do it fast. You can even do it double step. So now you can dance. So now you can dance. That's it. Thank you for watching. I just hope that you learned something from this video and you enjoy watching it because I enjoyed doing this video for you. Till again, this is QueenV saying be amazing at 50. Bye!